guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys doing great. Yes, you guessed it right. Raksha Bandhan is around the corner and I'm going to show you a really cool Raksha Bandhan look. So let's start. So we're going to start with the eyes first. We're going to use a little bit of glitter. So I'm just going to take these, eye pads or whatever you call this, and place it under my eyes so that I don't want any glitter on my face. So I'm just going to place it here. Okay, now this is done. So let's start with a nice color. So I'm going to use this lipstick first. This is by Forever 52. So I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids first. So once that's done, I'm going to take these really nice glitters. This is by the Musk India. So this is the Musk pigment. They're really beautiful colors. This is shade 1 and 2 because I'm wearing orange and golden. So I just want something to match my outfit. So I'm going to take the brush. This is again by Musk. The number is MBM03. So we'll go with shade number 1 and I'm going to gently place it on my eyelids. So this is what the pigment looks like. It's really nice and shiny. I'm going to start with placing it on the outer corner. I'm going to apply it on my crease as well. Now I'm going to take shade number 4, which is by the Musk again. You can see this is so pretty and nice. So I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm going to start placing it here. Now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and blend this very little, not too much. So that everything becomes nice and smooth, no harsh lines. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on this eye. Now once my eyeshadow is done, I'm going to apply some kajal. This is by Fab India. It's the almond kajal. Time to apply some mascara. Of course, I'm going with my favorite Benefit Bad Girl Bang. So my eye makeup is done. I kept it simple, but it's very festive. I'm going to start with my base now. I'm going to use my foundation. So this is the Bobbi Brown foundation. I'm going to take very little of this Forever 52 foundation just to match my shade. So I'm going to set this makeup with some loose powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me. So I'm going to take the Musk India brush. This is MBM16. Now I'm going to do my brows with Benefit Browsings. So this blush palette is from Makeup Revolution. I'm going to use the highlighter, which is here, very little. Now let's complete this look with some lipstick. I'm using the same lipstick. It's the Forever 52 matte crayon, which I used on my eyelids. So my makeup is done. I'm just going to wear some bindi and earrings and show my complete look. So guys, this is my complete look. I hope you guys liked it. It's simple yet so traditional and so nice. So happy Raksha Bandhan. Do try this look and let me know in the comment section below. And if there's anything you want to ask, of course you all can ask me. Follow me on Instagram. Instagram account is foxymakeuptips and tutorials, and Leena Official. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Raksha Bandhan.